A local author is celebrating a big accomplishment. Lisa Caprelli wrote Unicorn Jazz. It's an enchanting children's book, but now it's also a play. And students at KVIA Elementary recently made it come alive. It's today's Good Vibes Only report.
Dreams can come true, and today's proof of that with my book, Unicorn Jazz, turned into a play.
Unicorn Jazz, Unicorn Jazz.
KVIA Elementary students brought the pages to life. The book centers around a shy unicorn that moved to a new land in search of belonging, hoping to find new friends. Lisa Caprelli, who's a native El Pasoan, says although this was always a dream, she never thought this could be possible.
Growing up with humble beginnings, that this could happen at still my young age, and that I could bring stories, music, and life to so many children.
On stage, students transformed into animals from the El Paso Zoo as they sang all about friendship, and Caprelli eagerly watched from the front row.
So I like the book because it teaches like a good lesson about friendship.
These students had been working on this play since August.
They were so excited to do this, and like I say, when I first started this, I didn't think there was going to be that much interest, but oh my goodness.
Caprelli's family says they waited in anticipation for the big day.
Oh, I think it's amazing.
It's nice to see children engaged and actually wanting to read the next book and find out more, and I still can't believe they're doing a play about the book. It's really cool.
You're my sunshine.
And after the play, Caprelli was still in disbelief.
And made this story into something magical. Never in my wildest dreams did as I'm sitting here, I'm telling my sister with me, I don't feel like I'm here.
Caprelli hopes the book and play will inspire all kids, and that they know that sometimes all it takes is for one person to believe in you.
We're all unique and we're all different, and each one of you has special gifts and talents to share with the world.
Caprelli also hopes more schools across the country will perform her play. Caprelli is currently working on an upcoming book set to release this fall. She's a busy woman.
She is. My kids grew up with those books, and they always have such a nice message. So I'm so glad to see that it's on the stage now.
And you can just tell how passionate she is about
absolutely.
this. Well, remember, if you have a Good Vibes Only story idea, I want to hear from you. You can email us at news@kvia.com. I'd love to hear from you.